Record seaweed invasion hits Caribbean in May, more expected. San Juan, Puerto Rico, the Caribbean and surrounding regions saw an unprecedented surge of sargassum seaweed in May, and scientists warn the influx may worsen in June. A recent report from the University of South Florida's Optical Oceanography Lab revealed that 38 million metric tons of the brown, prickly algae blanketed the region, the highest amount recorded since monitoring of the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt began in 2011. The previous record, set in June 2022, was 22 million metric tons. "This just keeps escalating. The peaks are getting higher every year," said Brian Barnes, an assistant research professor at the university and co-author of the report.
As for why it's happening, he added, it's the million-dollar question. We don't have a completely satisfying answer. The seaweed, which floats thanks to small air sacs and reproduces asexually, thrives under varying conditions of sunlight, nutrients, and water temperature, all factors under active scientific investigation.
Experts also point to agricultural runoff, warming oceans, and shifting weather patterns as possible contributors. Offshore, large sargassum mats serve as crucial habitats for marine life like shrimp and endangered sea turtles. But when the seaweed washes ashore, it becomes a serious problem. It smothers coral reefs and seagrasses by blocking sunlight and sinking on top of them. On land, it decomposes, emitting foul odors and toxic gases such as ammonia and hydrogen sulfide, strong enough to shut down a school in Martinique temporarily and trigger respiratory concerns in St. Martin, where emergency cleanup crews have been deployed. The smell is quite terrible, Barnes noted. Tourism-dependent islands are especially hard hit. In Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, officials have installed offshore barriers to keep sargassum away from popular beaches. In Martinique, authorities are investing in storage barges and high-capacity seaweed collecting vessels, though their cost is steep. Frank Comito, a special advisor to the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association, pointed out that such solutions are often financially out of reach for many islands. "Cleanup is expensive and complicated. You can't just bulldoze the beaches. Sea turtle nests may be buried there," he said. As a result, hotels often shoulder the burden, sometimes offering refunds or transportation to cleaner shores. Despite the growing crisis, Comito emphasized that not every inch of the Caribbean is affected, and some areas remain pristine. Each year, sargassum blooms in late spring, peaks in summer, and declines by late fall or early winter. But with a new record already set in May, scientists anticipate even more seaweed in June, and still don't fully understand why.